Chapter 5. Force, Work and Energy. We will learn about force, kinds of force, work, energy, kinds of energy, simple machine. Force. A push or pull is known as force. In our day-to-day life, our different activities need pushing or pulling. Force is used to move a stationary object, make a moving object move faster, change the shape and size of an object, change the direction of a moving object. Kinds of force. Let us know about kinds of force. Gravitational force. It acts on every object on the earth. That's why every object that we throw up comes down on the earth after some time. It is because of Earth's gravity. Example: the leaves and fruits fall from a tree downwards towards the ground. Water in a river flows downstreams are examples of motion due to gravitational force. Knowledge hunter. Sir Isaac Newton gave this universal law of gravitational force. Hots. Gravity acts on all objects whether they are in motion or rest. Muscular force. Muscular force is the force exerted by using body parts such as arms or legs. It is a force produced by muscle action. Example: if you lift a brick from ground, then your muscles do work for lifting it. Hence, here muscular force is applied by arms. Mechanical force. This force is used by the most simple machines. For example, a pair of scissors uses mechanical force to cut something. Buoyant force. When we push down a mug floating on water, we feel an upward thrust. The upward push of water on a floating object is known as buoyant force. It acts on every object, even on a swimmer when he or she enters a swimming pool. Knowledge hunter. Archimedes, an ancient scientist, was the first to study upthrust. Work. When you use force to move an object, you do work. For heavy objects, the force needed to stop or move will be more. According to science, the work is said to be done if the force applied to an object makes the object move in the direction of the force. Energy. We often come across the word energy. We often require a lot of milk, vegetables and fruits to grow strong and to have energy to do work without getting tired. We can define energy as the ability to do work. It is everywhere in nature. We use it daily. Kinds of energy. Let us know about kinds of energy. Solar energy. It is the most important source of energy. It does not create pollution. We use solar energy for drying wet clothes in the open. In the same way, the solar panels absorb the energy of the sun to provide heat for cooking. Wind energy. It is considered as sustainable, renewable, widely distributed, clean and non-polluting energy resource. We call it eco-friendly. This energy is converted into electrical energy using modern wind turbines. Heat energy. We use heat energy for warming our homes and cooking our food. Most of the heat energy that we use comes from burning fuels such as coal, kerosene and petrol. Light energy. Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy capable of allowing various forms of lights visible to the human eyes. Sun, bulbs, tube lights and a burning candle are some sources of light energy. Sound energy. Sound is a vibration transmitted through a medium, solid, liquid or gas. The sound is produced when a force causes an object or a substance to vibrate. Radios, music systems, loudspeakers, etc. are some sources of sound energy. Law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It just changes from one form to another. Knowledge hunter. The conversion of electrical energy to light energy in a bulb is an example of law of conservation of energy. Simple machines. The simple machines make our work easier. We can define a machine as: a machine is a tool which helps us to do work by applying lesser force. For example, a pulley, a screw, wheel and axle, etc. Keywords: energy, the ability to do work. Simple machines, tools that make our work easier. Force is a push or pull. Muscular is related to the muscles of our body. I should remember, a push or pull is known as a force. We apply force in our several activities. Force are of many kinds: muscular, gravitational, buoyant, mechanical, etc. When we use force to move an object, the work is done. Energy is the ability to do work. We use energy to do our daily activities. Energy is of many kinds: solar, sound, light, heat, wind, etc. Simple machines make our work easier.